Hi guys! Welcome to a new video. Today we're cooking a Russian specialty, shashliki. You will know it. It's the most amazing barbecue meat that you can ever imagine. And we're currently here outside already cooking, and it's amazing. Before starting to cut any meat, I highly recommend that you sharpen your knives, because it's only with a sharp knife that you'd be able to have good results. The first part of this recipe, we're gonna take some veal meat. This is some ossobuco. As you can see, that has a bone in the middle, but the meat itself is quite fatty and juicy. I will be using the bone, but in another recipe. First, I'm gonna chop up half a kilogram of onions and put them as a base layer, and then we're gonna cut up the veal in pieces of about 50 grams and put them on top, and then onions and meat and onions. Spoiler alert, ossobuco was really not the best meat for this recipe because I had not removed the ligaments, but any fatty cut of meat is good, should it be pork or veal. Here in the video you see veal, but at the end you will see a video of pork. So as you can see, I've added the onions to the meat. Now I'm gonna add some salt, and that's gonna be enough. And then some pepper, and also some paprika, and some paprika. I've already added some, and a little bit of cumin, some mirin, which is some rice wine, sweet rice wine. So now the objective is to really make sure that everything is well incorporated in your mixture. It's a little bit of a messy process, but it's okay, it's gonna be fine. And now leave this in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours. The next day, it's time to fire up your barbecue and then put your meat on the skewers. Make sure that you have enough space next to your hand when you're going to be placing the skewers on the barbecue so it doesn't get too hot, because otherwise the meat will not get cooked through. Let's have a look. So this is my amazing shashliki. They are not burnt. It's the normal color. And here I'm moving them around on the grill so that they can have an even roast. You see here the meat is still a little bit red. So the objective is to move them around to make sure that they all have the same amount of heat. So here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!